Hey crafters, Tom Creek here. They call me the Crafting Cowboy. I'm with Creek Bank Creations. Don't know why they call me the Crafting Cowboy, because I don't even craft. But my business partner and my wife is the crafty one. She's the one that designs all of our products, and we are a small family-owned operation called Creek Bank Creations out of Perrysville, Indiana, what we call the land of tall corn and not much more. We have our own line of dies, rubber stamps, adhesives, tools and accessories, paper pads, all privately labeled Creek Bank Creations, available for you at www.creekbankcreations.com. Now today, Julie is going to do a card called the Angel Side Circle card. This is so cool, and it can be as easy or as complicated as you'd like to make it. For example, here's a very simple happy birthday card version.
Upside down. Turn it around. There you go, baby.
There it is. We'll get it right side up. That's why they call me the Crafting Cowboy, because I don't craft it. Anyway, there it is. You see how easy that is? Or here's a little more complicated version, a shaker version. Okay, check that out. Isn't that cool?
Upside down.
It's upside down again. So there we are. There it is. Okay. Now Julie's going to show you how to make these cards. You're going to love them. We've got a lot of specials for you. By the way, we've got 20% off everything if you use the code SUNSHINE. And we've got bundles for you as well. At this point, Julie's going to take it away. Take it away, Julie.
When I designed the Angel Side Circle card base, I wanted a card that would be easy to make and you could make a lot of them quickly. The truth is I like really complicated fun cards, things that move, things that are dimensional, but sometimes you just want something fast and easy, especially if you're doing Christmas or you have a lot of birthday cards to make. So I specifically designed Angel Side Circle for this reason. The fun part about it is, even though it's a really basic card, it has this interactive piece on it that's fun, this flap that opens up. And you'll see from the samples that I'm showing you that you can do a lot of really creative things with the Angel Side Circle card base. We're going to talk about it today. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks, and you do need to know that I have YouTube video that we've already shot previously about how to use the die and cover it in more detail. So you can check out our YouTube channel, go to YouTube and look up Creek Bank Creations, and you'll see the previous videos that I have completed for you, as well as some lives that are there. We also have a Pinterest page. Our Pinterest page is full of ideas just for the Angel Side Circle card. So when I designed the Angel Side Circle card, this is the die base, and you can use this to make many different kinds of dies. I designed 4 accessory dies that coordinate with it. In the accessory dies, there are the outline of the circle frame. You can see here, happy birthday. And on each one of them, there is a die in the center. So do you see the confetti on this card? That's the center of the die. So Happy Thanksgiving circle frame has a pie. Merry Christmas has a bell and a bow. Happy Birthday has confetti. Happy Easter has a chick and an egg. So I'll show you all of those samples here in a minute. So each of these, you get multiple ways to use it. Now we are offering 2 different bundle specials, one with the dies and just the dies. The other one is the stamps. So I want to show you the stamps real quick. This is the Miracle of Christmas and Balloon Birthday and Eat Pie, all designed to fit in the bezel of the side circle card. So you can see here, this is our Thanksgiving card with the Eat Pie stamp on it. We had a lot of people asking for Thanksgiving products, and so the stamp has the Eat Pie on it. This is the Angel Side Circle with the Merry Christmas, and it's got the bell and the bow on it. You can open it up, put your sentiment on the inside. This is the Merry Christmas with the stamp set. So the stamp sets I specifically designed very easy to watercolor or to color quickly with a colored pencil. So if you're making a lot of cards, you can do it quickly. There's a text on the inside. All of the stamps have a design and text on them. Now, the Easter set, this is the Easter chick that's on the circle frame set. So Easter set is not a part of our bundle today, but if you use the coupon code SUNSHINE, you'll get 20% off any of the products on our website. We are also using the rainbow paper pad on our card today, and you can purchase that with the 20% off coupon. So that's the basic card. Now you can take your dies and you can turn the basic side circle card into a shaker card. So this is a sample of the shaker card, and really fun product. And we did this in a YouTube live. So if you look up the YouTube lives, you can find this in our YouTube live section. We do have our own brand of confetti called Shake and Rattle, and that's what you're seeing on the inside. And this stamp that we have called You Are My Sunshine is a great way to add it to the rainbow paper pad. So you can see how Angel Side Circle gives you lots of chances to adapt. Here it is with the Dweedle stamp that we have. Here it is as a Christmas card. Here it is with wreath stamping. Let's fix that so you can see it better. There you go. Wreath stamping, really pretty. And we do have a set of dies called the Trinities, and there are 3 dies in these sets. This is called Capricious, and I don't know if you can see the detail, but Capricious is amazing. And it fits on the panel of the Angel Side Circle card. Whoops, upside down. Let's turn it around. There you go. Angel Side Circle card. So it's a fun set. You can do something simple with it, or you can dress it up and do something more fancy. I'm going to show you how to put the card together really basic today. And so hang on, I'm going to turn the camera down, and then I'll show you how to put the card together and explain the components of the die. So we're going to look at the happy birthday cards that I made with the rainbow paper pad, and I used the happy birthday product to make the Angel Side Circle card. So I want to show you how this actually works and show you how easy it is to make this particular card. When you start, the instructions on the front of the package tell you that you need to take a piece of cardstock and cut that cardstock 4 1/4 by 9. So this white piece here is 4 1/4 by 9. And then you want to put the long side of this piece on your scoreboard, and you want to score at 3.5 inches. So that's what I've got here. We did that because if you cut your own cardstock, it saves you money on the die construction. So the first thing you're going to do is cut 4.25 by 9 and score at 3.5. Then you're going to open up your die package, and you want to get the longest die out of the die package, and we're going to cut that on red cardstock for our card today. Now this die does require the extended platform. We use the Sizzix machines, and so if you have a Sizzix Big Shot or a Vagabond, you are going to need the extended platform. Total length of this die is 9 1/4 inches. We're going to put adhesive on the back of that, and we're going to flip that over and adhere that in to the white cardstock base. And we could put this in on the right or the left. There's our base. We could do it this way, or we can do it this way. Doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to, on this card today, add a card to the inside because I love the way this is layered. I actually designed this so you have that step in there with that little notch, and this just adds a nice little touch. So I've already stamped that card, and that inner piece measures 3.75 by 5. I'm adding our 1/4 inch super tacky tape, and we're going to put that right in our card. If I hold opposite corners, I can push that down right into my card and get nice straight alignment. We're looking good. We have our diagonal paper that we already cut, and you'll find in your die set the diagonal, this rectangle stitch die that is that panel exactly. It fits that panel exactly. So let's add some super tacky tape, and we will adhere that to the side panel. Now we do have a tape special on our website. If you look at the bundle specials on the website, you'll see that the bundle specials are all around 30% off. We do have a tapes bundle special, and it's 2 rolls of 1/4 inch and 2 rolls of 1/2 inch for only $13. So we're going to adhere that right there. Every bundle special that you see on the website has a YouTube video attached to it. So that's kind of a fun thing. We're going to shut the card, and I want to show you the one die that comes in this set that we're not using today is the circle. So if you really wanted to do just a really basic card, you can use the stitch circle to cut that circle right there. On our card today, we're going to use the Happy Birthday circle frame, and I've already die cut that, and I have already stamped it with the balloon birthday stamp. All the images on the stamp set are sized to fit in this panel. Now, when I die cut this, I have our super tacky tape on the back. So we sell super tacky tape in a 3-inch roll or a 6-inch roll. You unroll your tape, you put your cardstock in there, you trim it out, and you die cut. This turns your die cut into a sticker. So we literally can peel off the back and stick that on our card. You can center it and stick it down. I've sized that to fit that panel exactly. Now, when you die cut, there's a thing that happens called paper fibers. And sometimes, I'm gonna pull this up so you can see it close up. Sometimes you'll have, whoops, paper fibers, sorry guys, hanging on the edge. And you wanna get those off. There's some over here. So we have a product called Embelly Jelly. And if you take the Embelly Jelly, it comes in this little case, EMBELLIEGELLIE. Roll it up into a ball and push it into your die cut. Those little paper fibers that get stuck on the side of your die cuts will disappear. Just stick it on there. When you're done, you can roll it back up and put it in your box and save it for later. Now we have a nice clean card with our die cut, and we've stamped there. So this version is the same version. I just decorated it with the confetti instead of the stamp. And we have confetti on the inside. Very fun. I hope you enjoyed our at-home experience. I hope you're having a good time. Tom and I would be thrilled to ship your order. And Tom's gonna come back and tell you about details on our specials and our website.
Hey crafters, I hope you enjoyed our video today. We've got a couple of bundle specials that are gonna save you about 30%. First of all, the angel side circle die that Julie used, okay, along with the happy birthday die. Plus we have, if you want to make a Christmas card, the Merry Christmas die, and the Happy Thanksgiving die, okay? It was a 4-die bundle special. Normally, that's a regular price of $51.96, but we're going to have a 30% off. It's only $36.49 with the bundle special. It's called the Angel Side Circle Die Bundle. And then the stamps that go along with it, we've got 3 stamps. We have the Thanksgiving stamp,
Eat pie.
Eat pie, the Happy Birthday balloon stamp, Balloon Birthday, and we have the
Miracle of Christmas.
Miracle of Christmas stamp. There's 3 stamps, normally $44.97. Bundle special, about 30% off, is only $31.99. That's called the Angel Side Circle Stamp Bundle. So the Angel Side Circle Stamp Bundle and the Angel Side Circle Die Bundle. If I buy
both, do I get free freight?
Yes. All orders $50 or more are free freight. Also, everything else on our website is 20% off if you use the coupon code SUNSHINE. So Sunshine is the coupon code. Yes, can't be combined with other offers and can't be shipped outside the United States. So you're not going to get 20% off the bundle special. You're already getting 30% off on that. Hey, join us every Tuesday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time for YouTube Live. Julie does a new card every Tuesday night at 7:30 Eastern Time on YouTube. Go to Creekbank Creations YouTube channel and hit subscribe, and see us again at 7:30 every Tuesday while this COVID thing's going on. Thanks a lot. See ya.